In this video, we will be taking a look at the basic features of the CallSuite call accounting software. CallSuite provides information about all calls from all extensions, inbound, outbound, and internal. For information on how to access this page, please see the introduction video. What we will find on the home page of the web interface is that all of the navigation through all of the components will be listed in the menu to the left. On the right, we have some at-a-glance information under what we call the digital dashboard. The graph in the middle represents the total number of calls that occur each hour throughout the day. The graph will update throughout the day and reset at midnight, so you will only see the current day's call volume. On the right, you will see some very important information found in DB statistics. Most importantly, you will see date first call and date last call, letting you know the entire range of calls available for reports. Based on the way we communicate with the IP office, you may notice a delay of no more than 10 minutes between when a call occurs and when it will be available for reports. Date last call will let you know the delay. The dashboard can be customized to show only the statistics you are interested in seeing. To modify the dashboard, select Catalog from the drop-down list. This will pull up the list of all available components. To add one, simply select it from the list, then add to either Zone 1 or Zone 2 at the bottom. Once you have added all of the components you want to see, you can select Edit from the drop-down list, which would allow you to rearrange the components however you would like. Moving on to the menu, you will see that it is split into two parts, CallSuite and CallSuite Live. The CallSuite menu is made up of three main components: Configuration, Reports, and Tools. In other videos, we will be going through the different options in the menu, but for now, we're going to see how we can get to the historical reporting. There are two completely different sets of reports available. The first set of reports would be the call center reports. To access the list, first click the CallSuite Live button in the menu. Here you will see some configuration options at the top, followed by the list of reports. By selecting a report from this list, you will pull up the parameter page. The parameter page is where you can decide what will be in the report that is generated. In this example, I want to see 1 week's worth of calls. I could use the Hunt Group or Hunt Group Summary parameters to limit down which call center groups will show in the report. I'm going to leave them set to the asterisk so that it generates on all groups in the call center. When you're finished, click Run Report. Here we can see the report is generated. The first page of every report will be a printout of the parameter page. That way, if you share it with somebody, they know what they're looking at. The navigation bar at the top allows you to go through the different pages of the report, and you could share this by exporting to either PDF or Excel in the top right corner. By going to page 2, you will find the first information in the report. The report that I generated is a simple summary that shows me what happened to each call, summarized by day and hour. There is one important note about exporting the reports. If I were to export this report to PDF right now, the one-line summary is all you would get. It's like it's taking a picture of what is being displayed. If you want to be able to hide and expand the different summary levels, you would need to export to Excel. You can always get back to the home page by clicking the home icon in the top left. Switching gears, we're going to take a look at an example of a report from the other software, CallSuite Call Accounting. These reports are found in the Quick Report drop-down list below the menu on the home page. These are reports that are extension-based instead of call center-based, and they cover all extensions. In this example, I am running a report to see how many calls each extension was a part of, called Extension Duration Summary. You can see that when I clicked the report, it came up in a pop-up window. If you are having trouble running reports, you may need to disable your pop-up blocker for our site. The parameter page we see here allows us to decide exactly what type of information appears in the report. At the top, we need to fill in the time frame. In this example, I'm running a report on all activity from the month of January. Below, you will see parameters that allow you to narrow down the report by direction, call type, extension, city, state, or domain. By leaving the field set to the asterisk, that will report on all activity. You can see that just like in CallSuite Live reports, we start with a parameter page, then go into the actual information on page 2. For more information about the reports that are available, the information that they contain, or other features of the software, please see our other videos as well as the documentation found in the Help section.